Okay, so what I'm experiencing when I get chance, I started thinking in English, like how when I'm working in kitchen and when I'm rooming and mopping at that time, something was going in my mind, like which was happened in which has happened in my earlier life, earlier.
Do for thinking what can we do in English. First, whatever we do from morning to evening, we have to
Mm,
speak in English. Try to speak. Suppose some people they make excuse we don't have time. You are doing some work. At least you are cooking. That time you can speak like I am rolling chapati, I am baking chapati, I am flipping chapati, and this is it. So first of all, good afternoon. How are you doing?
yeah, yeah. Good afternoon. I am doing well, pretty well. How about you?
I am also good. You know that I am a little bit under the weather because of that weather is changing. That's why. So in facing
Okay.
like this had problem like a cold cough and oral ulcer also in my mouth. That's why I'm not able to speak properly.
Okay. You will get soon.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So can you introduce about yourself first? Because we are talking first time.
Sorry.
Can we introduce about yourself because we are talking first time?
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. As you know,
Yes.
sorry, you don't know till now. My name is Pinky and I hail from Punjab. And I have done my master's in Hindi honors. And I'm part-time working as a beautician and along with I'm running a YouTube channel where I upload English content. So yeah, that's all about
Okay.
me.
I saw your video with someone, I think, with one or two girls. Yes, you talked
Okay.
with them. And one is like a Tanuja,
Okay.
with Tanuja
Have you seen that video on group or on YouTube?
on YouTube.
Okay.
Yes, I saw that. You were
Okay.
talking with her. I saw by Chuda. I got there was like a thumbnail and your Chuda was there.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
Okay. Maybe she uploaded that video. Like yesterday we had conversation.
yes, yes, yes. Okay, so now I am going to introduce about myself. My name is Jyoti. I live in Agra. I have a small daughter that is 1 year. I am homemaker as well as YouTuber also. Now I am running a small channel, not as big. You can understand nowadays competition is running day by day, and we are not getting views, subscribers. At that time, I started my journey before 1 year.
Mhm.
There were no people aware about this Skype app. But nowadays,
Mhm.
everyone knows. Mostly people
Mhm.
knows about this. Yes,
Yeah.
so it is going well. Not I am not saying that it is going too good because I am not consistent also because of my
Okay.
daughter. Sometimes she face problem like a teeth problem. So I am not able. I talk, but whenever I get time, I talk with my daughter.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Great. So how long have you been on this application?
This application I am using from like 10 months.
Okay.
Yes, yes. At that time, I was not
Great.
aware about what is Skype, how to use it for conversation, but now I know very well.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Great.
If someone told me can you can use other like a Zoom app, but I don't know about that,
Mm-hmm.
so I don't use.
Yeah. Same here. I don't know as well.
Yeah. So, do you have any topic that we can discuss?
No, I don't have. I
Okay.
haven't planned
Anyhow,
about this session. I thought, okay, I should talk with that person, like because
okay,
of
and
my practice.
we can discuss like how can we think in English, how to think
Okay,
in English, like we can discuss. Okay.
yeah,
How can we make habit of thinking in English?
okay.
So suggest some
So,
tips in this.
okay,
Okay,
so you are going to speak on that, or should I start?
you can speak first.
Okay, so what I'm experiencing when I get chance, I started thinking in English, how? when I'm working in kitchen and when I'm rooming and mopping at that time, something was going in my mind, like which was happened in which has happened in my earlier life, earlier. So kind of a incident. Can be incident. It can be like a best memory, fun moment. Like you have to start like thinking, how can we speak on that particular topic in English. So I'm just trying to do it. And whatever like initially, um, someone gave some, like I heard somewhere, we should, whatever we are going to do it, we can like started speaking with with ourselves too. So yeah, now I am talking to you. I'm talking to you with the help of phone, and now I am putting my earphone, and I have in front of my book, like a notebook,
Notebook also.
like a, yeah, there is a pencil in my hand, on my hand. So these kind of things we can say, like we can think, and we can like speak loudly, and that's how we can improve, I guess. We can started thinking, and we can make a habit. So yeah, sometime we are making food, like how we are making food, we are chopping vegetables, onion,
Yes, yes,
tomato,
yes.
garlic, everything. That's how we can learn spices name, right?
Yes,
Spices
yes,
name.
yes.
And how we call we what we call like when we are moving ladder on the walk, like we call it stair. So these kind of things
Yes,
we can learn it. If we stuck somewhere, we can search that thing on Google, and that's how we got get to know. And next day when we are going to do this thing, we can use that word. Okay, now I am going to steal that food. So these kind of things
yes,
we can
yes.
do it. So that's what
Okay.
I am doing. I'm not doing regularly, but yeah.
I'm also not doing like what I do for thinking what can we do in English. First, whatever we do from morning to evening, we have to
Mm,
speak in English. Try to speak. Suppose some people they make excuse we don't have time. You are doing some work, at least you are cooking. That time you can speak like I am rolling chapati, I am baking chapati, I am flipping chapati, and this is rolling board, rolling pen and griddle, everything we can
mm,
small words first we can speak in English.
mm,
So
mm.
automatically, if we know small words, so automatically we will make sentence also. If suppose we don't know word, how can we make sentence?
Mm.
Yes.
Yeah,
So I try, and sometimes
first we
I
start.
try to win. Yes, yes.
Sorry. Yeah, I was
Uh,
saying, first we should start with the small words, when we are going to put on shirt at that time, what we call like put on. When we are going to like
yes.
remove that
Take
shirt,
off.
like take off. Yeah, these kind of things
Yes.
we should start using, and try to don't go with the in one day. You can say start gradually, and
Yes.
after that,
Yes.
after
So,
some time, you will see you are always curious to know what we call that word, what we call,
yes. Yes.
what I'm doing, what we call it in English. These kind of things. So yeah,
And
you were saying something.
I speak with my daughter, and you know that if I take one box, I keep something. So first I say take off, take out. So she does like this. I told her one time, take out, put down, pick up, and put in, put on. She does this. She knows because I taught her. That's why. What is means of this? So children, I I practice nowadays. I practice with my daughter.
Yeah.
I really she is also enjoying that. Suppose if I say we are going upstairs, she says upstairs, Mama upstairs. She says downstairs, Mama downstairs.
Okay. Where is she now?
Now she is sleeping. Her health is not good. She is also feeling under the weather. That's why she slept.
Okay.
Yes. If
Okay.
she is on the floor, so she will say, "Mama, on the bed, on the bed."
Okay. Yeah.
Yes,
She
yes.
must be
So
intelligent.
nowadays, I am teaching her small birds. I purchased for her like a flashcard. She know
Yes.
two or three. She doesn't know all cards. She can recognize. She can speak.
Mm-hmm.
You can
Okay.
understand. 16 months child cannot speak more, but
Yeah.
she can speak whatever. If a word is very small and that is very big, so she is not able to speak full. But she tries.
Okay. So does she speak clear?
She speaks clear, but if word is very tough, then she try to speak, but not speak full word.
Okay. It is. She is
Yes,
only 1 year old, right?
yes,
Hello.
yes. She
She
is
is only
16
1 year
months.
old.
16,
Okay.
yes, 16 months.
16 months. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So,
Okay.
but I teach her like what if I ask her what is this? She says sugar, salt. This kind of things I'm
Mm-hmm.
teaching her. So this is good for
Mm-hmm.
children. We should teach from childhood. And she knows
Yeah.
rhymes. I speak, I start my phone,
Yeah.
and there are some rhymes. I try to speak. I set her in my lap and I speak like a rain, rain, go away. She knows that if she doesn't know one or two words, she is not able to speak. But she tries to speak Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. And there are many
Okay.
like a Hindi rhymes. And but she likes more like a Hati Raja Kahan Chale. This was. If I say
Okay.
other rhymes, so she says, Mama, Hati Raja.
Okay. So does she habitual for phone? Habitual for phone?
Yeah, I do not give her phone like for basic. I do not give her phone. Whenever I saw her like this, look it, study related. Not I do not. Some people I have seen take phone and play with that, but I do not give
Mm-hmm.
her.
Okay.
Yes, I talk with her like if I start like a recording and I speak like rhymes with her. So by that she will not feel hesitation. The
Yeah.
children should learn how to face a camera.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
And
I thought that
and what
it is
about
a good.
okay. So what about your husband? Does he speak
Uh,
English?
no, he doesn't speak, but he speaks whenever she is speaking. Then also he speaks because of that he will also try to speak. If
Mm-hmm.
he is saying, "Papa, this is glass, this is bottle," she says bottle, not what bottle. She says bottle.
Mm-hmm.
So her
So
father
that is a
also
good.
speak with her.
That
Yes.
is good for
When
her.
she speaks,
Like she. Yeah, I was saying that is good for her. She is getting good English environment because we don't get in
yes.
English environment. Like even I
No, yes,
hadn't like English environment. That's why I'm putting efforts now like into English.
yes.
So
And
yeah.
I am thinking that whenever she will grow up, she should know rhymes. If suppose our child knows from now, so they will not face problem in like a school.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Yeah.
so it is a goal. I teach her. I say what is sound of like what is baby of like what we call baby of dog. So she says puppy. What we call baby of cat. She says kitten. So we should
Okay,
teach
great.
small things first to our children. This is good.
Yeah.
If I ask her that who is the Prime Minister of India, so she says Modi ji.
Okay,
Yes, yes. I teach
great.
her small, not more, little. And we should not do like that. One day I am teaching, second day we should repeat that. If we do not repeat, our child will forget. It happens
Yeah.
with ourselves also.
Yeah, it is happening with us. Like it is happens with us also, because if we are practicing on regular basis, then it would be good. If we skip our
Yes.
practice for 3 or 4 days, we will we will hesitate. We will feel
And suppose,
underconfident.
yeah, suppose we have taken any vocabulary and we are not utilize that.
Yeah,
Yes. So what happened? This goes like a waste just. If we
yeah,
are using, it is useful. Yes.
yeah,
It is very
yes.
constructive if we are using. If we are not using, it is just we are just wasting our time.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah,
you know that we are homemakers, we cannot give more time to ourselves. Suppose we are unmarried, then we can give more time. Yes,
yeah,
and we can be fluent. We can be fluent if we are alone. We don't have any responsibility then. Now I
yeah.
have done 1 year on this YouTube channel, but I am not
Okay.
fluent because
Okay,
my
how
mind
long
is
have you?
here.
Yeah,
1 year
I
I have spent.
no, I was saying like how long have you been learning this language?
1 year, 1 year. When I started my journey of speaking, then I started my YouTube channel as well.
Okay,
But
okay.
it happened with me, I can say, because of my daughter. I'm not consistent.
Mm-hmm.
And I lost my sister in law before 4 months. So, you know that our mind doesn't live on one place.
Yeah, doesn't working properly if something happening around us.
And we have a lot of responsibility after married
Yes.
and daughter, small daughter, you
Mm,
can understand. First priority is our baby.
yeah.
Yes, after that, whatever we want to do, we can. But I am enjoying with my daughter. Whenever I get time, I make conversation. If there is no
Okay.
time, I speak with her. And I start
Yeah,
like a
yeah. It is.
camera. I start camera. I speak rhymes, sing with her.
Okay.
Yes, it is
So
a good
usually
way.
when okay, yeah, go on, please.
I am saying that if we don't have time for conversation, I start just sing. I feel very good whenever I sing a rhyme with her.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Are you talking about rap or rhyme? Rhyme,
Rhymes.
rhymes,
Yes, yes.
poems,
And
poems. Okay.
yes, poems, we can say rhymes and poems. And you know, by that what happened? I am learning new poem daily, and she is also learning. We get interested in that,
Yeah, yeah.
and it
So
looks
like
good. It sounds good also.
yeah, I was saying like I have a session. So should we wrap up this session here?
Okay,
We will
okay, bye
connect
bye.